Hello, I'm going to demonstrate the typewriting and commenting tools of the Foxit PDF Reader. Here I have a non-fillable form. If I click, nothing happens. However, you can use the typewriter tool to fill this form out. Go to Tools, Typewriter Tools, and click on Typewriter. Now you can click and start typing. You can also change the font size, and the font color. With the typewriter tool, the text will overflow off of the page. In order to fix this, you can use a text box. Go to Tools, Typewriter Tools, and click on Text Box. Now click where you want to place the text box. With the text box, the text will overflow downwards instead of sideways. You can also change the properties of the text box. Go to Tools, Advanced Editing Tools, and click on the Annotation Selection tool. Now you can click on the box, and you can make it bigger and thinner, and you can move it. And also, if you right click, you can go to Open Properties, and you can change the thickness, the border style, the color, and the opacity, making it lighter or darker. There is also a call-out box you can use that is also under the typewriter tools. You can use this box to refer to a certain area. There are also many commenting tools you can use. To use the commenting tools, go to Tools, Commenting Tools, and select which tool you want to use. I will first demonstrate the Highlight Text tool. Simply click and drag the box, and then let go. You can change the properties by right-clicking and going down to Open Properties. You can change the color. You can also change the opacity. The higher the opacity, the darker it will be. Also, if you like to make these settings permanent, you can right-click and click on Set Current Properties as Default. Now every time you highlight, the same color and opacity will be used. If you like to highlight across the page, then make sure to get the cursor within the text. Try not to create this box. Instead, move the cursor inside the text, and then drag. Here you can see that the highlighting has gone from page 5 to page 6. You can also use a strikeout text tool. The underline text tool, the squiggly text tool, and the replace text tool. Now you can replace this writing. Also under commenting tools is the commenting text tool. You can select a certain area and then right click, and all of these options are available. There's also an insert text tool. You can click where you want to insert text, and then double click on the arrow, and you can type in text. Now when you click on this arrow, the text will appear. There's also a note tool. If you'd like to place a note somewhere, simply click where you want to place the note and then type in content. Now when you click on the note, the text will appear. You can also add note to highlighted text. Double click on the highlighted text and you can type in your note. Now when you double click on it again, your note will appear. That is how to utilize the typewriting and commenting tools of the Foxit PDF Reader.